Hi freshmen, it's time to complete your Naviance quarter 2 assignment. Go ahead and log in with Clever using your laptop login and password. Find your Naviance icon in your Clever portal, taking you to your Naviance student homepage. Scroll down to important to-dos and tasks, and your task to complete for this quarter is Complete Strengths Explorer. Find that pink arrow once you get to your planner. Scroll over to the hyperlink that says Complete the Strengths Explorer assessment, and it will bring you to the instructions for the Strengths Explorer. You have 78 short answer questions, and you can only take this once. So when you are ready, you're going to hit Take Assignment, and your Strengths Explorer will begin. Make sure you click on a bubble in order to advance to your next question. Your answer should be saved automatically, and once you have completed it successfully, it will be taken off your to-do list. If you have any questions or need help completing this assignment, the College and Career Center emails are in the Google Classroom.